How to deactivate your X or Twitter account temporarily. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to temporarily deactivate your X or Twitter account on your iPhone or Android, simply follow the steps. First, you need to open the Twitter application and make sure that it is updated to its latest version, and also make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now, once you're in the homepage, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Support. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Now, from this page, tap on your account, that is the initial option over here. Then you will see the option of Deactivate Account. Tap on that. Now tap on Deactivate, which is highlighted in red color in the bottom. Enter your password and then tap on Yes, Deactivate to confirm. The steps are the same on both iPhone and Android. So I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.